Yo, YouTube, welcome back to another video. If you're into fashion and clothing and you got a TikTok, which everybody has TikTok, you have probably seen this dude skating around on TikTok, buying out Louis V stores, buying new Cartier watches, like all of this. Who is this dude YLSK? What's up, YouTube? My name is Eddie Scott, aka YLSK. Started a clothing brand called YLSK Lifestyle 2 years ago with my cousin Trent. Since that point, we have grown our brand to become a six-figure business, over 500,000 followers on TikTok, 80K on IG, and everything that we have learned in the process, I am here to share with you. So be sure to tap in for these gems, subscribe to the channel, welcome to the family. Be sure to leave a like for the YouTube algorithm. Be sure to turn on post notifications. Hey, enough of that YouTube stuff. Let's get right into how YLSK built $1 million brand off of TikTok. So first of all, what is YLSK? YLSK stands for You Love SK. YLSK is a clothing brand that is based around this dude SK. Hey, before I get started, I feel like this video, I can't do this video justice until I really, you feel me, get dripped out with the hoodie. As you see, I got on my boy YLSK hoodie in the video. So hey, let's really get right. Let's get back to the video. Who even is SK? And that's what makes this brand so powerful. Nobody really knows who SK is. We don't even know his real name. We just know him as SK. That mysterious component of the brand is what makes it engaging and enticing, and what makes people always come back for more. YLSK itself as a brand is centered around skating, streetwear, even designer, high fashion, and just culture as a whole. What makes YLSK's brand so popular is that he has learned to master TikTok and content marketing in general to connect with his target audience. If you look at some of SK's original content, like his first videos that he put on TikTok, they were okay, they were decent. But now if you scroll to the top of his page and you see the type of content he's putting out now, high quality, top of the line content, and he is using certain elements in his content that allow him to connect with his target audience and get people excited about his brand. So if I pull up a random video here, as you can see, he's hopping out of a car, a Mercedes coupe, hopping in a Saint Laurent store. He's buying merch or whatever out of the Saint Laurent store. He's flexing, he's got on his hoodie, he's just swagged out and dripped out. And you know, he's even wearing the designer bag going into the store. You know, little things like that are connecting with his target audience, the young, hip, streetwear demographic, right? Every person who follows him, who likes his brand, they want the car that he has. They want to be shopping designer stores. They want to have, you know what I'm saying, the lifestyle that he has. And so he's using these different elements in his content to connect with his target audience, and that's what makes his content so powerful. Even down to the music he's using a lot of trending sounds in his TikToks, and I'm not going to put it here for the sake of copyright, but you know, people like Yeet, even Playboy Cardi, you know, a lot of popular rappers, a lot of trending TikTok sounds he's using in his content to attract his target audience. So SK has learned to use content to his advantage to build a loyal following and to generate hype for his brand. And then the brand itself is just very culture centric, you know, it's very hip, even down to like the clothing itself. Like what I got on right now is a full zip, right? The full zips are very popular in today's time. It's a very trendy piece of clothing. And so he's using the trends in his brand to attract his target audience, as I've been saying. But really the most powerful thing about YLSK and why it has become such a popular brand is SK himself. The brand is centered around SK. The brand is literally called You Love SK. So it's literally about him. And people may think that's self-centered or selfish or conceited, whatever. Is really great marketing. People buy from people. And so people want to know who they're buying from, especially online, where there's a lot of, you know, online scams and things of that sort today. People want to have a name and a face that they know that their money is going towards. One thing we say in business is know, like, trust. Your customer has to know who you are, and then once they begin to know you, they begin to like you. And once they begin to like you, then they trust you to go on your website and make a purchase, things of that sort. So SK has really become like a celebrity figure and influencer. People follow him for him, just who he is as a person, the way he acts, his demeanor. Those are all things that people are attracted to. And a powerful thing is he knows his niche, he knows his target audience. I keep talking about target audience. He's real in tune with his brand, his niche, his target audience. So he's able to create content and create clothing that matches that specific demographic. And then when looking at the products that he offers, is really simple, really clean. He really only has one main design that he's pushing and promoting. This hoodie that I'm wearing right now, 9 times out of 10, if SK drops a video, he's wearing this hoodie right here, just in like different colors, but it's the same design, the same full zip. And he'll also promote some other items on his TikTok page, as well as have a variety of items on his website. But at the end of the day, he has one main product that he's pushing, and that makes it easy for people to connect a piece with a brand. If you have a brand and 10 people walk in the room with your brand on, but it's like all different colors and all different designs and text and logos on it, people may not know immediately that it's one brand. But if 10 people walk in a room with this exact hoodie on, this exact design, people are going to notice that it's one brand, and it's going to be intriguing. And when it comes to marketing, they say that it often takes 7 times for people to see your product before they buy it. And so pushing with one design has really helped SK grow his brand fast. And so in wrapping up this video, some key things that you can take away from YLSK's brand: people buy from people. And so whether your clothing brand is centered around you or not, still find ways to incorporate yourself as the owner, as the founder, in your content, in your website, whatever it may be, so that people can build that know, like, trust relationship with you. Next is the importance of having a clear target audience, a defined niche. Know who your perfect customer is. Get real specific. Age, location, maybe even gender, interests, hobbies. What are they doing on a Friday night? Be as specific as possible. This will help you to create content, create designs, and really just connect with your audience in a way that only you can, because you understand who they are. Test as much as possible until you find what works. As you can see, SK's content definitely evolved over time. He was testing different themes, different styles, until he found one that worked for him, and then he ran with it. So post as much as possible, test as many different things as possible until you find what works, and then stick with it and run with it. And then lastly, at the end of the day, just be yourself. Nobody can be you, so don't try to be anybody else. In your branding, in your content, in your marketing, just be you. People will attract to you because of who you are and your uniqueness. So with that being said, that's the end of this video. If this video provided value to you in some way, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like for the YouTube algorithm. Be sure to subscribe for more clothing brand, finance, entrepreneurship content just like this. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know if I should make more videos like this. Give me some ideas of people and brands that you want to see. I'll be sure to get on it for you guys. If you are a clothing brand owner, you want to take your brand to the next level, or even if you don't have a brand yet but you're thinking about starting a brand and you just want some guidance to get you started, DM me on Instagram at YLSK. I'm offering one-on-one mentorship, and I only have a few spots available, so be sure to DM me ASAP. Hey, with that being said, I'm out of here. Let's be great. Hey, success leaves clues. So with videos like this, be sure to take all the information that you can, learn from successful people, learn from successful brands, take some of their tactics, things that they're doing right, and implement it in your own brand, in your own way. Hey, and that will lead you to success. So let's get after it. Let's go.